of Police West Janta Hills, Chempang Shirti, in a press release clarified on the allegations on social media that Meghalaya police ran away fearing the Karbi people. He said that while the police team went to make an inquiry on the setting up of a shed by the Assam police in an area which the Karbi people claimed to be well within Assam, while lapping up residents claimed to be within Meghalaya, a mob from Assam side came to charge the police team and also pelted stones and demanded the police team to go back since they claimed that the area falls under Assam. He also informed that the Assam police were contacted and they reached the spot and later they controlled the crowd from their side. Likewise, the crowd from the Meghalaya side was controlled to not proceed further into the area of difference.